Continuing our coverage on the coronavirus, the positivity rate in Connecticut currently stands at 21.5%. As cases keep climbing in the state, hospitals are keeping a close eye on capacity and staffing levels. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Aya Galel checked in with some of the state's healthcare systems. She's live in the newsroom now with more on how things are looking. And Aya, what are they saying to you?
Good evening, Patricia. Well, there's good news and there's some bad news. The good news is that the hospitals we checked in with are not strained in terms of capacity or staffing levels. Most of the people hospitalized with COVID right now are not vaccinated. The bad news is that health officials say there's no question these next few weeks will be difficult.
We are currently seeing probably the worst spike so far during this pandemic in terms of number of people that are coming back positive across the nation, across this region.
Hospitalizations and Connecticut's positivity rate have been rising over the last several weeks. Dr. Sayed Hussein, Chief Clinical Officer with Trinity Health of New England, says capacity is being looked at on a daily basis. Currently, he feels comfortable that Trinity Health has enough capacity to take care of both COVID and non-COVID patients.
We're likely still several weeks away from the peak. We do have difficult weeks ahead of us, but it's all in our hands as to how we shape this peak.
Hartford Healthcare says while there is capacity in its critical care units, emergency departments are busy.
None of our services are being affected because of staffing issues or shortage at the moment. Pretty much every single service, whether it's outpatient or inpatients, are working in full capacity.
Elective surgeries have not been impacted, but with rampant community spread, healthcare officials recognize the number of hospitalizations can change quickly.
These situations can change very rapidly. In 2 days' time, we may have a significant number and we may have to react differently. But Hartford Healthcare remains very agile.
Doctors say amid this wave, they are seeing a significant impact on the unvaccinated population.
Throughout our state, 70 to 80% of people who are in the hospital are unvaccinated. The unvaccinated have reason to be scared.
And healthcare officials continue stressing that getting vaccinated and getting boosted are key. Doctors are also reminding people that it's safe to receive routine care at hospital facilities. Case numbers are expected to start decreasing in early February. Live in the newsroom, Aya Galel, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.